This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Coldwell Banker Premier Realty. Brand new roof. This home won't last long. Nice big brick home on an acre, great floor plan, large open plan family room kitchen, big sunroom, wood burning fireplace in living room, with lots of windows and perfect for enjoying the lush private backyard. 3 good sized bedrooms and 2 baths give your family plenty of room. Add a big laundry room, 3-car detached garage and an outside storage shed. Patio and a great brick walled walkway in front, and this one is set up perfect. Call today for your appointment to see this one. For more information, review the details below or contact Coldwell Banker Premier Realty at 479-754-4663.